Small? Medium?
Medium.
You have two, right?
One.
Oh, one? He's like a sausage dog?
Huh?
What kind of a dog?
Shih Tzu.
Like 16, 17 pounds.
He weighs 20 pounds.
Oh.
He's overweight. He's overweight. See, he has his fat right here? Right here?
Yeah.
That's his fat right there. It's like a boob.
He needs liposuction.
He's a gastric bypass.
Likes to play. But he doesn't like to be picked up for some reason. Yeah. I can pick him up fine. And he just purrs.
How old are they?
He's 5 years. He's 4 years.
Where did you get them?
Him